So, why is oil spill so bad for the environment? Like, what does it do?
Well, whether they're minor or major oil spills, they affect the environment negatively and the animals living there. It clings to the surface of the water, so the animals living below it get trapped underneath the water, and like mammals that live underwater can die of suffocation.
Yeah.
It also, when the oil mixes with the water, it prevents marine life from breathing the oil through their gills, so it kills them that way too. And then birds who swim in the water, also it gets stuck in their plumage and they're unable to fly.
Yeah.
And studies show that actually 99% of birds who are caught in oil spills end up dying. So that's a really bad part. It also decreases the amount of sunlight that gets through the water's surface, so crustaceans and plant life on the bottom of the ocean can't perform photosynthesis, and they end up dying too. So it actually throws off the balance of the entire food chain, which even if an animal isn't affected by the actual oil itself, it can end up dying too.
So what can we do to clean up oil spills?
There are several things that we can do to clean up oil spills. However, it can be difficult and expensive. And it depends on several things. The type of oil, the location, and size, which complicates the process. One way to clean up an oil spill is through bioremediation. It's the use of microorganisms to break down the oil. Another way is controlled burning. Although it effectively reduces the amount of oil in the ocean, it does have to be monitored full time because it can cause air pollution, which is kind of, we're trying to prevent water.
Counterproductive.
Yeah, exactly. Another way is the use of vacuum and centrifuge. Oil along the water is sucked up through the vacuum and into the centrifuge, which then separates oil from water.
So, what are some things that we can do to prevent oil spills?
Well, there are a couple things that are done. Monthly inspections of oil rigs can help to prevent blowouts and oil spills. Equipment has to be kept in good conditions to ensure that the retrieving of oil runs smoothly. Also, that we use double hauling, which is a process to prevent oil spills. Vessels carrying oil have two hulls built into them, which can reduce the risk and severity of an oil spill if there is a collision or if the ship sinks.
Well, it's been very nice talking to you about
you
this.
too.
All right. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.